Hey guys, how's it going? If you're new here, I'm Jess, and today I'm going to be teaching you how to play Sweet Home Alabama, if you didn't already know from the title or that beginning of the intro. This song is really simple today, so it's going to be a very quick one. In terms of the song itself, you're not going to need a capo for it, so it's really beginner friendly as well. The chords are really beginner friendly. The only one really that's different, if you want to do the advanced version, then there is going to be an F in this. But you can do this fake F that I'm doing here to make it a bit easier for you. So I'm going to do two versions of this song, and then when I do the playthrough, I'm going to do the harder version. But to do the easy version, you just carry on doing what you normally do. So I'll explain that. So the chord progression for the whole song itself is D to C add 9 to G. And then it's another G, right? So D to C add 9 to then G to another G. And that's pretty much it for the whole entire song. The only difference is at the end of the chorus and the beginning of the verses, there is a slight difference in the chord progression. You go D to C add 9 to G, and then instead of doing another G, you're going to go F and then C. The strumming pattern for this song that we're going to do is a really simple one. We're just going to do down, 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 up, down, 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 up. And it gives us that nice kind of country sound that we want to hear from it. So down, 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 down. So this is the main strumming pattern that I'm doing in the main chord progression. And then what I said about the chorus and the verse, so again, the beginning of the verse, the first line, we go D, C, G. D, C, G to F, C, D. So a really slowed down version of that, we're going to go D to C add 9 to G. Then you're going to do down, down on the Fs, down, down on the C, and then you're going to start back on that D to start that pattern again. So sped up version. And that is pretty much it for the entire song. The only difference is when you get to that verse and that chorus. If you want to do the easier version and you want to avoid that F, by the way, is you can literally just do another G rather and not do that F, C. You can just do a G. And carry on doing your down, 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 for that bit. But obviously it's going to sound slightly different when I'm playing it. I'm going to be doing that F to C as well in between. The other nice thing about this song is as well, if you're doing the C add 9 to the G to the D, the reason why this is a great beginner song is because you can keep this third finger exactly where it is. So start off by practicing just your D to your C add 9, then practice your C add 9 to your G, and then your G to your D. And all that's the only thing really you need to practice for this song, because again, everything else is the same. that is how you play Sweet Home Alabama by Lynyrd Skynyrd. Hopefully you enjoyed this video, and if you'd like to see more, please feel free to put any suggestions down in the comments below, and I'll see you next time. Goodbye!